Hello everybody, I'm Suraj. I study in Canada International School in sixth grade. I like singing, drawing, reading, writing. I play games like basketball and badminton. So today here I'm going to be showing you my most favorite project, which was my pixel art. But before that, I would like to talk about what I like the most in Vibite. First, Vibite's easy to learn in. We learn the easiest possible ways, which helps us to understand better. We have the best teacher possible. Thanks to Vineet sir, who helps us understand. He patiently teaches us. And lastly, we get the best help. Whenever we're not understanding anything, we have Vineet sir who helps us always. So now the project I chose to explain is my pixel art project. So I'll be showing this to you on tablet. Here I had um, used pixel art to create Harry Potter's pet owl, which is Hedwig, I think. So until this opened, something I liked about this project the most was that it was creative, it was fun, and even though it took me a lot of time, like around 5-6 hours, it was fun looking at which block I could put which color in. It took me a lot of time to even imagine what I'm trying to do, but it was a lot of fun. It was still engaging. Yeah, so this was the figure I made. I use TSR. I use the update button so that it doesn't really make it one by one. TS or tracer. But then it will still be good if I didn't have the tracer on. So I hope you like my project. Thank you.
Very nice, Suraj. Thank you so much for the kind words in the beginning. Now, one thing about Suraj's projects, I know from the time he has been doing Scratch is that he likes Harry Potter because a bunch of his projects are based on Harry Potter. If you look at the Scratch program, right? And he has continued that love for Harry Potter here. This drawing is elaborate as it can get because it's using multiple colors. There's no like fixed pattern that you can use on, and very clearly you have put in a lot of effort in this, Suraj. It's visible to me just looking at the output here, right? And you can see it in the code because it's elaborate, right? You've gone row by row to define every color and get the symmetry and everything. I can imagine spent a lot of effort in this, right? And to get it all working is not easy. Obviously, you have to understand this concept quite deeply, right? So very clear. Yeah. Anybody has any comments for Suraj?
Suraj, Hedwig is supposed to be white, not blue in the middle.
Yeah, but then in some descriptions, Hedwig is blue.
It is?
Yeah.
Wow.
Didn't know that.
Amazing. Okay, so Suraj, keep it up. I mean, again, you have been around with us for more than a year now, and you have been a very dedicated student all along. Always trying things, always disciplined, always, ready to, say, hear feedback, improve on that, and that's the best way to learn, right? I mean, like you said, this is something you have to imagine. It's not easy, right? To just give. If I just show the picture on the right and say, okay, write a code now to do this, it's not an easy problem at all, right? But because you've tried to internalize the concept, you try to understand the concept, you are able to do it, right? So I think Harigovind wants to say something.
Yes, sir. He has done like a lot of work on this. I can definitely say this because I put like 1/4 effort into it. I'm 100% sure I put like 1/4 effort of it. I just created 3 parts of the same project. I put only 1/4 effort. So yeah, you have put a lot of effort in this.
Yeah, but the outcome is very beautiful, right? As well. I mean, it looks very
Yeah, the
aesthetic
outcome
and
is also very beautiful.
yeah, yeah.
Much
So
better than mine.
no, I wouldn't say that, but yeah.
That I at least know.
So good one, Suraj. Keep it up. It's a pleasure to interact with you. It's amazing to see your energy and your drive. Keep programming, okay? Keep programming, keep enjoying this. You will see the benefits of this in everything that you do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take care. Thank you so much.